Here, you will master 4 easy solutions to walk through how to transfer data from ZTE to Samsung phone. Way 1. How to transfer files from ZTE to Samsung via Coolmuster mobile transfer. 1. Install and launch the program on your computer. 2. Plug both devices into the computer using 2 suitable USB cables and enable USB debugging. Once connected, you will see connected under the device image. Note: the ZTE phone should be in the source position. If necessary, tap the flip button to switch them. 3. Pick the data types you want to copy and tap the Start Copy button below to start the syncing process. Way 2. How to transfer from ZTE to Samsung with Google Backup. First, you need to check whether the Google storage is enough before starting the process. 1. Enable Google Backup on your ZTE phone. You can open Settings, System Backup, turn on the Backup to Google Drive option. 2. Set up your new Samsung phone with the on-screen steps. On the Copy Apps and Data screen, tap Next, and select a backup from the cloud option. 3. Open the Google app on your Samsung phone and choose a cloud backup to import to your Samsung. 4. Sign in with your Google account credentials and pick the content you want to copy. 5. Click the Restore option to sync them to your Samsung phone. Way 3. How to transfer data from old ZTE to new Samsung via Samsung Smart Switch. Note that both devices must run at least Android 4.0, and it supports contacts, calendars, device content only, media files, DRM-free content only, and other files. 1. Install Smart Switch on both phones and plug both devices into a nearby power source. 2. Place both devices within 4 inches distance and run Smart Switch on both phones. 3. Open Settings on your Samsung phone, search for Samsung Smart Switch, choose the Bring Data from Old Device option, and tap it again. 4. On your ZTE phone, click Send Data Wireless, and on your new Samsung phone, tap Receive Data Galaxy or Android Wireless. 5. Click Allow on the old device to complete the connection. Later, pick the content you want to move on the new Samsung phone and hit the Transfer button. 6. Tap Close on the Samsung phone once finished. Way 4. How to transfer data from ZTE phone to Samsung with Quick Share. 1. Ensure both your ZTE and Samsung phones are running Android 6.0 or newer. You can check this in your phone settings under About Phone or Software Information. 2. On both devices, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Look for the Quick Share or Nearby Share tile and make sure it is turned on. You may need to edit your Quick Settings to add the tile if it's not visible. 3. Quick Share uses a combination of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to create a direct connection for fast transfers. Make sure both are enabled on both devices. 4. On your Samsung phone, the receiving device, you'll need to set your Quick Share visibility to everyone or contacts only so your ZTE phone can find it. You can adjust this in the Quick Share settings. 5. Open the file as you want to share on your ZTE phone. This could be a photo in the gallery, a document in a file manager, or a link in a web browser. 6. Tap the Share icon. This is usually a 3-dot icon connected by lines. Select Quick Share from the sharing options. Your ZTE phone will now scan for nearby compatible devices. Wait for your Samsung phone to appear in the list of available devices. 7. Tap on your Samsung phone's name to begin the transfer. A pop-up notification will appear on your Samsung phone. Tap Accept to receive the files. The transfer will begin, and you can monitor the progress on both phones. The time it takes will depend on the size and number of files you are transferring.